the trails are all closed for the spring thaw. So Lorelai and I are going out for a little hike on the trails and try to clear up some of the trash. What fun! All right.
Be careful.
Fun adventure.
You have to be careful because the critters are looking upon us.
That's okay. I don't have to outrun them. I just have to outrun you. Okay, let's try not to walk through the mud, okay?
Okay.
Just because remember last time and you kind of went down in it?
Oh yeah. What the? My leg was kind of mud.
Yeah.
And you got upset because you had to wash your bike because you're going on like a big ride.
Yeah.
And we stop for a water break.
You gonna have a drink of water?
Nice.
Nice. Try and pull it closed. There you go. So what do you think?
I think it's nice.
It's beauty out, eh? Easy there, killer. My goodness.
Oh, I have 2 water bottles.
Oh, okay, well, that's good. Redundant backup. It's always important.
Oh, when you first put it on, you realize how heavy it is. And your back gets used to it.
No, they're all frozen.
Stop.
It's stuck?
It's stuck. I can see that.
There we go.
It kind of looks like a kayak. Smaller form.
There you go, right off the trail. Woo! Garbage.
A little full water bottle. Halfway frozen.
Good job. Good eye.
So far it's blended into the ground.
Yep. All right.
I'm gonna wait to do what you did.
Oh, mine's not really doing anything. It's just holding it. I have a little bit of a trailside lunch here with the BioLite. It's great.
Get my shirt. I don't really know if the camera could see all the frames, but there is big.
Oh yeah, they're coming.
We're going to explore.
Oh look, Dora brought a machete.
Let's explore over here.